Good morning, reception. It is Monday the 1st of March, and this week we are going to be looking at 3D shapes, okay? So this is going to be a lesson just to introduce the different 3D shapes that we need to learn by the end of the year, so you can look at the shape and you can name it. So let's have a look. What is a 3D shape to start with? So 3D shape is something that has 3 dimensions. It's solid. You can pick it up, whereas 2D shape is flat, okay? So 2D is flat. 3D, you can hold it in your hands. It's solid shape. So here, this is called a sphere. Can you say sphere? It's a bit of a tricky word to say. And spheres are shaped like oranges and like the earth. So they're round, like a bit of a ball, like in PE. That's a sphere shape. Let's have a look at the next one. Now this is a cube, okay? Now in the picture, you might be able to see there's the shape of a square. But it's called a cube because it's 3D and you can hold it in your hand. Let's see what real life things are like cubes. So like a dice or a present or a box. They are all cubes. Let's have a look at the next one. This is a pyramid, okay? It goes up to the top in like a little pyramid shape and it's got a square at the bottom. It's a pyramid. And things like that are the Egyptian pyramids that are in real life. That's in the shape of a pyramid. And at some point in school, you'll probably learn about the Egyptian pyramids, I would think. The next one we've got to look at is something called a cuboid. Now, this one is a little bit more strung out. It's a little bit longer. That's things like your cereal box that you might have or a loaf of bread. So it's nice and solid. You can hold it, and that is a cuboid. What's the next one? Oh, this is a cylinder. Okay, this is another one that's a little bit longer strung out. And if you look from the top, it's in the shape of a circle. It's almost a circle that's been pulled apart. That's a cylinder. Let's see. And that's things like your tins of baked beans or your toilet rolls. They are in the shape of a cylinder. Now this is a cone. Now, most of you might have had a cone. If you go to the ice cream man and you have a 99, he gives you the bottom bit where the ice cream goes in. That is a cone shape, and that's what it looks like. There we go. There's an ice cream cone. So the cone is at the bottom of the ice cream on the top. Or there is also a traffic cone, which is in the shape of a cone. Oh, this is called a triangular prism. Can you say that? Triangular prism. Because at the start, you can see that we've got the shape of that triangle. And it's almost like we've stretched out the triangle to make it into a prism shape. So it's a triangular prism. Let's see. Whoop. And something like a tent would be in the shape of a triangular prism. So this slide here shows you all the 3D shapes that we've just had a really quick look at. So by the end of the year, by the time you're ready to go up to year 1, you have to know all of these 3D shapes. But this week, we're going to be doing different fun things all about 3D shapes. So your time now, you haven't got any set activity to do or challenge. You can just have a little look at these shapes, see if you can remember some of their names, because I know they are a little bit complicated and it's a little bit different to the 2D shapes that we've done, which are the triangle and square and things like that. You guys are really super at those, but these are the special 3D shapes that we have to learn. So have a little look at them, see if you can remember some of their names, and we will continue this on tomorrow. Have a lovely rest of your day. Bye.